Welcome back to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Alright guys, what's going on? Happy gardening to everyone. Shout out to all the new gardeners out there. Yes, gardening for beginners. Yes, today I'm going to give you a little insight of what you should be looking for every spring. And I'm going to show you how you can really multiply your food forest or your backyard garden. You could even start selling fruit trees right from your backyard, right from under your fruit tree. So let me show you what we do every year. And please stay tuned because I'm going to show you what we've been doing and how it's been working effectively. Please watch to the end. You're going to love this. Now, we come under our peach tree because what happened, the squirrel come and they eat off basically all the peaches every year. So what happened, some of the seed might end up underground under the tree. So what we do before the grass get too high, because when the grass get high, you cannot see them because sometimes you might cut them, sometimes you might pull them up without even knowing. So what we do, guys, we come under before the grass start getting high and we start searching. Let's search for some peach tree. Look, one right here. This is a peach tree right here. What we're gonna do with this peach tree, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with this peach tree, and I'm gonna show you what I did with the rest. So we have one here so far. That's a peach tree right there. Let's see if we see any more under here before we start digging up anything. Let me see. So far, we see one in this area. So far. There might be more. But you see, when you allow the grass to grow up tall, it's hard for you to find them. Now, let me show you where I see two more. So this is a next one right here. This is another peach tree right here, and this is the next peach tree right here. So what we're going to do with these peach tree, guys, it's raining, so now might be the best time you really want to do it because it's, oh man, you see I pull up this one, man, I'm upset, but guess what,